Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class. Now students, in the last lecture we have discussed few important reasons which are often asked in the exam of related to the chapter why do we fall ill. Now in this lecture we will be discussing some more points, some more important questions. Okay, so let's start. Now the first is, why is immune system essential for our health? Okay, now immune system is the line of our body. The immune system comprises different kinds of cells that kills the infecting microorganism. When a pathogen enters our body, antibodies are released in response to the pathogen. These antibodies kill the pathogen and prevent us from illness. So as you all know, our health is directly proportional to our immunity. If we have a good immunity, we have a, that means कि we have a good immune system. Okay, और ये कैसे आएगा? With the balanced diet, with the nutritious diet, then you will be having a good health. ओके, एंड इम्यून सिस्टम जो है अगर आपका इम्यून सिस्टम स्ट्रांग है, ओके, आपकी रेजिस्टेंस बॉडी की स्ट्रांग है, देन यू विल नॉट सफ़र फ्रॉम मैनी माइनर डिजीजेस, जैसे कोल्ड हुआ, कफ हुआ, तो ये सब आपकी बॉडी पे अटैक नहीं करेंगे. ओके, बिकॉज जो इम्यून सिस्टम अगर आपका स्ट्रांग है तो आपकी बॉडी में दैट मीन्स कि एंटीबॉडीज़ हैं. ओके, एंटीबॉडीज़ जो हैं वो आपके जो है बनी हुई हैं इन रिस्पॉन्स टू अ पर्टिकुलर पैथोजन. और जब कोई भी पैथोजन आपकी बॉडी में अटैक करेगा, सो दीज एंटीबॉडीज़ आर रिलीज्ड इन रिस्पॉन्स टू द पैथोजन. ओके, एंड दीज एंटीबॉडीज़ किल द पैथोजन, keeping you free from the disease. So this is why the immune system is essential for the good health. What precaution will you take to justify prevention is better than cure? So you have to justify that this is a very common line. You all must be familiar. Prevention is better than cure. ठीक है, सावधानी बरतना जो है, that is मीन्स कोई भी डिजीज़ हमें जो है हो जाए, उससे अच्छा है हम उसको पहले ही प्रिवेंट करें. ओके, ना कि वो हमको हो जाए और उसके बाद हम उसको जो है क्योर करने में लग जाएं. सो इट इज़ बेटर कि वी शुड टेक इफेक्टिव steps or measures in order to prevent ourselves from the disease. So what precaution you should take? Maintaining personal as well as public hygiene, awareness about causes, symptoms and the source of the disease. You should be familiar with this all the diseases. Using clean water and avoid storage of water in to avoid the growth of mosquitoes. Balanced diet, regular exercise to boost the immunity and vaccination. So these are the few precautions which are taken in order to prove this statement, precaution in order to justify the statement prevention is better than cure. Now, why do some children fall ill more frequently than others living in the same locality? So, what is the reason? You must have noticed कि at your home, okay, in school also, कि there are children who are easily affected by the microorganism. Okay, and there are who are not affected. So, what is the reason? Suppose there are children which are living who are living in a same locality. So what is the reason for that? Maybe ki due to the lack of balanced diet leading to malnutrition, weak immunity, living in congested unhygienic condition, lack of clean drinking water and hygienic food, missing vaccination. So maybe these are the reasons why why the children who are living in the same locality, but few children they fall ill frequently while others they maintain a good health. तो वो तभी बीमार जल्दी जल्दी पड़ेंगे, या तो इनका इम्यून सिस्टम वीक है, या तो वो बैलेंस डाइट नहीं ले रहे हैं, या उन्होंने वैक्सीनेशन नहीं कराया है, या उनकी सराउंडिंग्स नीट एंड क्लीन नहीं है, जिस एटमॉस्फेयर में रह रहे हैं दैट इज़ नॉट गुड. ओके, सो दीज आर द फ्यू रीजंस. व्हाई आर एंटीबायोटिक्स नॉट इफेक्टिव फॉर अ वायरल डिजीज? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. सो एंटीबायोटिक्स जो हैं बेसिकली दे एक्ट ऑन बैक्टीरिया एंड फंजाई, and how they block the certain biochemical activities necessary for the living of bacteria. वो जो बायोकेमिकल पाथवे होता है उसको वो ब्लॉक कर देते हैं, जिसकी वजह से रिप्रोडक्शन जो होता है वो ब्लॉक्ड हो जाता है. बट इन केस ऑफ वायरसेस व्हाट हैपन, एज यू ऑल नो, वायरसेस जो हैं दे आर dead outside the body of the host, and they once they enter inside the host body, they take up the host machinery and start multiplication. So you know this. So what happened? So virus जो है, they uses the host machinery for survival and replication. They don't have their own machinery, but they live on our cells. So what happened? Antiviral drugs work differently in antibiotics. Differently to antibiotics, they interfere with the viral enzymes to destroy them. So this is the reason why antibiotics are not effective, okay, for viral diseases. Now next, why are antibiotics, okay, this is over. Becoming exposed to air infected with an infectious microbes does not necessarily mean developing unnoticeable disease. Now इसका मतलब क्या है? If you are exposed to infected or with if you are exposed to or infected with infectious microbes, so it does not necessarily mean developing noticeable disease. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको आप इन्फेक्टेड माइक्रोब से एक्सपोज्ड हैं आपकी बॉडी और उसके बाद आपको डिजीज़ डेवलप हो जाए, ये ज़रूरी नहीं है. क्यों नहीं ज़रूरी है? एवरीथिंग इज़ रिलेटेड टू योर इम्यून सिस्टम. अगर आपका इम्यून सिस्टम स्ट्रांग है तो आपको जो वायरस होगा या कोई भी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म होगा या कोई भी पैथोजन होगा, वो आप पे अटैक नहीं कर पाएगा. अटैक करेगा भी तो आपका इम्यून सिस्टम जो है, इट विल रिलीज द एंटीबॉडीज इन रिस्पॉन्स टू दैट पैथोजन एंड इट विल किल द पैथोजन, प्रोटेक्टिंग यू फ्रॉम द डिजीज. ओके. So when we get exposed to certain pathogen, our immune system sends active cells that kills and clear the pathogen. Now next है, give any 4 factors necessary for healthy person. क्या क्या है? First is your hygienic environment, personal hygiene, food, vaccination. Now these are the 4 things which make you a healthy person. हम हाइजीनिक इन्वायरमेंट में हमें रहना है, पर्सनल हाइजीन मेंटेन करनी है, मींस रेगुलर बेथिंग, कीपिंग योर सेल्फ नीट एंड क्लीन. फूड हमें न्यूट्रिशियस, बैलेंस्ड, हाइजीनिक लेना है. रेगुलर वैक्सीनेशन कराना है टाइम टू टाइम. Last is, why is AIDS considered to be a syndrome, not a disease? Now, HIV/AIDS is caused by HIV virus, as you all know, and this virus enters through body fluids such as blood or and breast milk or by sexual contact. So now HIV virus, it spreads to lymph nodes and it blocks our immune system. So ये virus जो होता है, it attacks our immune system and make our immune system weak. So what happens due to the weak immune system? It creates a condition where our body cannot fight with minor disease also like common cold. So जो भी हमको हल्की फुल्की भी कोई अटैक होगा डिजीज़ का, तो हम उससे लड़ नहीं पाएंगे. एंड मे बी दिस माइनर कोल्ड मे बिकम अ निमोनिया if a person is suffering from AIDS, because our immune system doesn't respond. So a person with HIV can get pneumonia from the common cold. The minor gut infection may turn into severe diarrhea. In HIV, a person will not have specific symptoms, rather he will have a series of infection. Hence, HIV is a syndrome, not a disease. Syndrome means होता है collection of disease. So HIV जो AIDS है, it is not a disease, but it's a collection of disease because it invites other pathogen to easily attack our body and to capture our body and to cause a disease condition. So these are the few important questions of the chapter Why Do We Fall Ill. Hope you liked it. Thank you everybody.